Hey there iPhone users, in today's video we're going to show you an unorthodox method to access ChatGPT on your iPhone. Since you can't download it from the App Store at the moment, we'll use a clever workaround using the Shortcuts app. So let's dive into it. First, make sure you have the Shortcuts app installed on your iPhone. If you don't, simply head over to the App Store and download it. Once you have the app, let's proceed to the next step. Open up the Shortcuts app and at the top right hand corner you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new shortcut. Next, tap on Add Action in the middle of the screen. Scroll down to the Web section and then tap on Open URLs. In the URL field, enter the web address chat.openai.com. Feel free to customize the name of the shortcut at the top. Let's name it ChatGPT for convenience. Now here's the neat trick. To make it look more like a professional app, tap on the blue circle in the top right hand corner and we'll enable the Add to Home Screen option. Tap on it. If you want to change the shortcut icon to the ChatGPT logo, tap on Choose Photo. You can search for the ChatGPT logo online, save it to your photos and select it as its shortcut icon. You can also customize the name to ChatGPT for personalization touch. Once you've made all the necessary changes, tap on Add to the bottom right hand corner. Bosh! You now have the ChatGPT shortcut on your iPhone's home screen. To use it, simply tap on the ChatGPT shortcut icon. Allow the app to open and you'll be directed to the ChatGPT webpage. From there you can log in or sign up if you haven't already. And it works just like using the actual app from the App Store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below, where we'll help you out. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.